Which is Safari Rally for Kenya. Government of Kenya has committed that we want to see this world-class event to come back after almost 19 years from Kenya. We as KWS and the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife have supported the initiative of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta of bringing back this event. That's why we are willing to give space here for a state-of-the-art pavilion, but also a site where all the racing vehicles will be having facilitation in terms of fixing their vehicle and participating in this world-known Safari Rally. So I'm happy that the chair is here and his team. There'll be improvements of this land and construction is going on. When it comes to 2021 July, we will be ready for this event. I am certainly sure this will be a big boost for tourism. It will be a big boost for the economy, but it will be a big boost for the sports tourism that will now engage with the Ministry of Sports. Probably in the chair you can say a word. Must abide with the protocols put forward by the Ministry of Health. Definitely if you come from a high-risk country, you must go through protocols of quarantine. If you come from medium and low-risk countries, you must have a COVID-19 negative certificate. We allow you in our country. So far, definitely, it's a gradual and slow opening. That's why we believe that this economy will only be opened by ourselves. And I want to say thank you to Kenyans. I'm encouraged to see the number of Kenyans that have supported this effort of opening the economy by going and traveling all over these resort cities or conservation areas, so that we can give back jobs to our people and build back the economy. Masai Mara was fully booked in the last 2 weeks. Yes, I believe I've heard about slow improvement of bookings in Diani and the cost a bit. So it will take some time. It's not going to be overnight. I believe things will start coming back to normal by end of the year, because there's a season for holidays. International tourism will start coming in by next year, definitely, when a vaccine is finally found. And formal or the actual recovery of the industry cannot be immediate. It has to take time, because it depends on aviation, it depends on many other dynamics of the tourism economy, because the enablers for tourism to work, there are many other dynamics behind it. So aviation is key, and because now the airspace is open, most of the airlines have opened up, probably not on a daily basis, but slowly we will see the frequencies of daily frequencies to be reinstated as soon as there is capacity.